Okay, we started off with 4 cups of raspberries. Now I'm coming in with 2 blocks of my Tillamook cream cheese that I softened right into our large bowl. This is gonna be so easy and so delicious. I have my little zester here and some lemon, and we're gonna go ahead and zest this lemon right into this. You can add as little, as much, or as much as you like. I just love lemon with raspberry. It is the ultimate combination for this easy, no-bake spring dessert. Okay, I zested about half of my lemon. Now to add some sweetness, I'm gonna add some powdered sugar. I'm adding 1/3 cup of powdered sugar into our mixture, just like so. Perfect, you can use granulated sugar if you don't have powdered sugar. Now it is time to get this blended. I have my hand mixer. Go ahead and put it right in there, turn it on, and let's get mixing. We want this to be a nice, beautiful pink color. All those raspberries just melded together, just how we want it. Kind of muddled, I meant, not melded. Muddle those raspberries. Oh my goodness, look at that. Those delicious raspberry seeds, the creamy cream cheese. This is gonna be a home run. Okay, that is looking delicious. All right, we're done with the hand mixer, and now we're gonna come in with 8 ounces of original Cool Whip. Go ahead and plop that right in there. You can make your own whip topping if you'd like, or you can use True Whip. I'm just using Cool Whip because it is perfect for this recipe. And now we are gonna fold in that Cool Whip just like so. It's gonna turn into a more pastel pink, which is just so beautiful for spring, and it's gonna taste incredible. Look how gorgeous this is coming together.
The aroma is outrageous.
Oh yeah, and I doubled up this recipe because I'm always feeding a big crowd in this house. We always have people coming in and out, but you could do half the amount of raspberries, half the amount of cream cheese, and still get a good 2 dozen out of this recipe. Okay, this is perfectly combined. Now we're gonna go ahead and pop this whole entire bowl in the freezer for 2 hours. Okay, I just put some graham cracker crumbs on a sheet pan, and we're just gonna shimmy it so that it is just a layer right on there, just like so. Now we're gonna go to our freezer and we're gonna grab our raspberry Cool Whip mixture. It's been 2 hours, so it should be nice and thick. Put that right here. I'm gonna grab my ice cream scoop, and we are gonna go ahead and get a nice scoop of our raspberry mixture and put it right on top of our graham crackers, just like so. This is gonna add the perfect crunch to our delicious spring dessert. So easy, so delicious. Just get our scoops right on there, and then we are gonna get these nice and coated. Oh my goodness, it smells incredible. Go ahead and take our scoops and kind of roll them in the graham cracker crumbs, oh so lightly, just like so. Doesn't need to be perfect because they are still a little bit soft, just like that. Look how good that looks. It's just gonna be a nice little raspberry cheesecake little bite. This can get a little messy, so if you wanna wear gloves, that's totally okay, but I just washed my hands, so we are good to go. Just roll it in just like that. Get it covered on each side with that delicious graham cracker coating. Okay, those look nice and coated. Now we just transfer these to some wax paper, super quick, just like so. Perfect. And these are going back in the freezer. All right, it's been 1 hour in the freezer, and look at this. They just come right off. They are perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and serve these up. These are so refreshing on a warm summer day. And they are just gonna be sweet and cooling and just exactly what you want as a dessert. Little raspberry cheesecake balls. Okay.
With fresh fruit.
With fresh fruit, you guys. Look at me. No, pie filling or anything, even though you could use pie filling. Okay, let's give it a try.
Is it good?
It's like ice cream. It is so good.